Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And in today's video, I just wanted to show you the two actual apps slash web services that have actually paid me out in either Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrency. Now, I know I've done a review on CryptoTab before, but CryptoTab browser, but I can't say enough about it. This was one that I saw a review on, thought it was I thought it was too good to be true. I downloaded it myself, put it on my phone, and lo and behold, I was actually able to withdraw Bitcoin to my Bitcoin wallet in Coinbase. Now, there's a lot of really cool things that CryptoTab browser has to offer. The first thing being its minimum, well, obviously, is that the first thing is that you are allowed to mine for free. There are features to enable, to double the speed. You can pay for to double the speed, you know, um, multiply it by 5, 10, 15 times the speed. So there are payable features, but you don't have to use any of those. So even just using the free version, it lets you mine for free. The minimum payout, as on my screen, you see this 1857. So the minimum payout is actually where it says 1857 would just be a flat 1000. So I've been paid out a few times with CryptoTab. It has actually been sent to my Coinbase Bitcoin wallet account, which is great. It shows you a little breakdown here on the total amount that I've mined. And even though that doesn't say a lot, for me personally, I'll take any bit of any bit slash portion of Bitcoin that I can get my hands on. I don't care how much it is. So even though it says, it's only worth $1.27 right now, that means it's only worth $1.27 while Bitcoin is approximately 51,000. And for sure it's going to pass $100,000 in 2021, or at the minimum it'll go back up to 62 grand. So, like I said, getting any piece of Bitcoin for free and in a short period of time is fantastic. So, it has the features of being able to mine faster. You do have to pay for that, but also the feature of being able to put CryptoTab browser on any other device and mine, and then doing that, you will actually mine faster. So I can have it on my phone, I could have it on my laptop, my computer, another phone. It doesn't matter. If I log in, I will see my mining rate start to, my balance start to go up a little bit quicker. And then the final thing is actually referring people. So when you refer people, they actually get a small, maybe a short period of time where they can actually mine for double the speed for free. And then you get a very small percentage of whatever it is that they mine. So if you use the link right now, you will be able to mine at the speed I'm mining at, and I get, a small portion of whatever, of whoever uses my link. I get a small portion of whatever they mine. And the same will go for you as you refer people. But that's not really where the money's at. The money's at on continuously making sure that this is enabled. So, and having it on as many devices as you can. So if you can have this on running on your laptop, like my laptop's on all the time. So I just have the CryptoTab browser running on there all the time. It's just minimized, but it is still cloud mining for me. And so it does use a little bit of the CPU, but nothing crazy. So this is just so CryptoTab browser. is the very first app that I've downloaded that I have actually received payment. I have done reviews on previous, mining apps and so forth, but I just haven't reached the threshold where I've been able to withdraw yet. So I can't say anything permanent about them. So, but I can say for a guaranteed fact that CryptoTab pays out, and the minimum payout is very low. So you can, you might end up being able to withdraw Bitcoin up to a few times, 2 to 3 times per week. So, and as Bitcoin continues to go up, it's definitely worth, being able to do that and continuing to do that. So just make sure that you refer people, and at the very top of the list, try to have it on as many devices as you can. So, and on the devices, like if it's on Windows or Mac, whatever it is, you see the timer here. It says 2 hours, 10 minutes. There's no timer on when it's installed on your computer. And I don't believe I don't even think there's a timer for the iPhone, but it does have to stay open on the iPhone. It has to stay open in the background. Unlike the Android, I can close it out and just make sure I go back in and hit enable. But anyway, this is my number one pick is CryptoTab. And now, moving on to my second, whatever you want to call it, website. Well, they do have an app, but I just like going onto the site, and it's called Stormgain. I've also done a review on this, but at the time, I did not get paid out. So I just received my first payout, where you see it says total balance $11.84. So there's going to be links in the description for everything. But when you do make an account, all you do is go to the Bitcoin miner, and it goes for 4 hours at a time. You just have to make sure you go back and hit mine and so forth. Has the same concept as CryptoTab, where you can buy different plans on mining, mining a little bit quicker. So, but you don't have to. You can stay with the free version. It will obviously just take a little bit longer to be able to withdraw your minimum amount. So the minimum amount is $10, as you can see here. So which really isn't that bad, and to be honest with you, it doesn't take that long. I think it might have taken roughly 3 to 4 days to withdraw $10 from Stormgain, which wasn't too bad. And the cool thing is, when you use my link, you'll automatically have $3 in your account, and then when you refer people, you will get 15% of whatever they mine. So you just have to remember to come back every 4 hours to hit, activate mining or whatever. I think it just says enable mining, the same thing. But that's really it. So it's very simple. Use the links in the description to, at least temporarily double your speed for CryptoTab and get $3 from Stormgain, and that's it. So these are the two, CryptoTab browser and Stormgain are the first two apps/sites that I have actually been paid out with. So it's that simple. And that was really that's all I wanted to show everybody, was that, not everything has a catch. So, and with these two apps, as long as you remain patient and, just take your time with it, refer people, put it on as many devices as you can, you will, slowly, a little bit quicker actually with these two, but you will slowly see your account just accumulate these different cryptos. So CryptoTab, you get Bitcoin, and with Stormgain, even though it says Bitcoin miner, it actually converts it to what's called USDT crypto, which is basically just the US dollar essentially. But with this balance I have, I can exchange it for Bitcoin. I can exchange it for any other crypto that Stormgain has to offer, or I can just withdraw it. So it's that simple. So, and with that being said, I am done talking about the two apps slash sites that are 100% legitimate and 100% payout, and it doesn't take that long. So CryptoTab browser and Stormgain, to reiterate for the 20th time, use the links in the description to get extra benefits, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later. Bye bye. Where am I going? Nope.